Hello, welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So today I wanted to do a video using this. I got one of those mini blowers and I'm going to try it out on a 4x4 tile. I'm going to use house paint. I've done it before, and the Artist Loft white or black is just too thin to accomplish anything. So this is the house paint that I use for my blooms, which is the Walmart ready pour or ready made. I have I'll put the link in the description box. But my paints are thin because you want there to be some movement. So I'm going to use some of this purple. It's almost like a mini Dutch pour. So it's not a bloom. It's not exactly a Dutch pour, but it's fun to do. I'm just going to use two colors, and you kind of swipe it. So here we go. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, but once you swipe it, and not really swipe, just kind of blow the air, boom, boom. And I got some really pretty results when I did a test. Let's see how this one turns out. I think I blew some of my paint off. The only unfortunate thing about using a house paint is you can't really torch it. So you might get some cells, because I did use the floetrol when I mixed the purple and the aqua, or that may be teal. I'll have to check my bottle. But you can just do some fun things with that little mini blower. And still get something cute on your tile. Let's add a little bit more purple. And just a tiny bit more teal. And let's do another little blow. So, you get something unusual, something pretty. You make a set, and you have yourself a couple of coasters with a pretty design using the little mini blower. So go pick one up. I got this from Cracker Barrel here in Maryland, and it was $9.99. So I hope you are able to find one and do some fun things with it. Have a good evening.